Welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix Whirlpool microwave error code F1E4. So guys, this error means a problem between the touch panel and the microwave's control board. So first thing you could try is do a power reset by unplugging the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes and then plug it back in and see if the error clears. Another one is check the keypad. So just simply press each button gently to see if any are stuck and just simply clean the surface with a soft dry cloth, and dirt or moisture can cause false signals. Another one is inspect door switch. Sometimes the error is linked to the door switch not sending the right signal. So just simply open and close the door firmly, then test it again. Now guys, if any of these doesn't work, you just simply go ahead and contact the Whirlpool support or a technician to do a service for your microwave. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.